In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. To get started, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search bar, type Adobe Acrobat Pro and run the search. This is the quickest way to find the official product page, especially if you want to avoid landing on unrelated websites or third-party sellers. When the results appear, look for the official Adobe listing for Acrobat Pro and click it to open the product page. Once you're on the Adobe Acrobat Pro DC page, take a moment to make sure you are on Adobe's official website. This is important because you want to purchase the software directly from the source for security, accurate pricing, and proper account access after your purchase. On this page, you'll usually see information about what Acrobat Pro includes, such as PDF editing, converting files, organizing pages, and other document tools. Next, scroll all the way down the page until you find the option that says See Plans and Pricing. Go ahead and click that. This section is where Adobe shows the available subscription options, and it helps you compare what's included before making a decision. If you're unsure which plan to choose, take a little time here to read through the pricing and features so you can pick the one that matches your needs. After that, find the plan you want and click Buy Now underneath it. Once you do this, Adobe may ask you to create an account if you don't already have one. If that happens, just follow the prompts to set up your account. Make sure you use an email address you can access, since this is typically where Adobe sends your purchase confirmation and where your subscription will be linked. After your account is created, or if you're already signed in, you'll automatically be taken to the checkout page. At checkout, you'll need to review your order and enter your card details to complete the purchase. Before submitting payments, it's a good idea to double-check the plan, billing frequency, and total amount, so there are no surprises. Once your payment goes through, your Adobe Acrobat Pro DC subscription should be activated and connected to your Adobe account. From there, you can sign in, download the app if needed, and start using the features included in your plan. And that's it. That's how to buy Adobe Acrobat Pro DC quickly and safely through the official Adobe website.